Hey guys, I recently got this iPhone used from Facebook Marketplace, and I didn't know that the camera was damaged or something was not working. Guy stopped responding and blocked me on Messenger. So I was looking through YouTube and I couldn't figure out what's going on. Whenever you're opening the camera mode, you could not see anything, so it's basically just showing you a black screen. And I was really surprised when I was pressing zoom and one camera was working. It was not focusing well, but it was working. So long story short, we have to disassemble iPhone and check couple connections. Whenever you disassemble iPhone, you need to make sure that each screw you will install back in the right same spot. Here is two connectors. Each adapter is responsible for one of the two cameras. And to my luck, the right one was unplugged. So probably after it fell down on the ground, somehow it got disconnected. And after I've checked it, plugged everything back, it started to working normally. Since we got it disassembled, we'll replace the screen meanwhile, and the only thing would be left is the back glass and the camera lens cover. Luckily for me, it was an easy fix. I will also leave one more option for you guys to try if this didn't help you. So now the cameras are fixed, the screen is fixed, the only part is left is the back glass and the camera lens is glass. So remember, check all the connections. And second advice, try to erase your phone if this didn't help. Erase it, let it load everything, and then check the cameras. Sometimes it helps.